Hey, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. So I'm here to review Champion Inverter Generator 2500. So this is the surge wattage and this is the running watts. Okay, so I just got this from Home Depot online a few days back, and I'm here in Florida, so that's why I need it, because we just got hit by Hurricane Sally, and we have no power for more than 5 days. So and now there's a hurricane coming in again after a few weeks, and I need to be ready. So this one is 53 decibel, and it's running right now. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's over there. There you go. And I say 53 decibel. It's good. It's not really loud compared to a ordinary generator, and I say it's bearable. And 11.5 hours, I think this is not at 100%. It could be less than 50% load. Okay, but so I'm on the break-in period, and yeah, let's explore it. So first things first is we add engine oil. Okay, so first time using, make sure you add oil because it doesn't come with oil. Okay, and then to measure the oil, okay, make sure you do not screw in the dipstick while checking. Okay, so just enough. And also on the first 5 hours, okay, it's the break-in period. Okay, it should be run at or below 50%. Okay, then after 5 hours, change the oil. Alright, and you add fuel, and you do all these things. I mean, it's not hard, it's easy. Okay, if you follow the instructions. Period, and I'm happy. It can run my fridge and a freezer, so it has a running watts of 985. Okay, and it can also run at the same time my 55 inches TV and a fan all at the same time. No issues. It's good, and yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys learned something from this Champion Inverter generator, and I say it's a good quality item. Alright, so bye bye.